there's this wonderful website. Whoops site. Whoops site. Anyway, there's a wonderful website. Coding game. They have. Actually, I actually discovered that they always have one of these open, not just in the spring. They always have one of these. But this one is special. It's the Spring Challenge 2020.
And it's devoted to PacMan.
It's devoted to PacMan because it's a,
40th anniversary or something?
Yes. It started on May 7th, I think?
You got to the bronze level, but then I saw you kind of diverge.
Stop.
Well, not stop, but you started making something.
I started making something, and I was like, you know what? This thing is gonna end at some point, and so I was making a little archive version of it.
So Simon has actually made a copy of the PacMan game that codinggame.com features.
Yes. So
with exactly the same colors.
Yes, it has no ghosts. Very simple, no ghosts. But there are 2 players, not 1. So the red player is up, down, left, right. I don't know. The red player is up, left, down, right. The blue player is WASD, which are placed on the keyboard in such a way that it looks like up, left, down, right.
And in the original challenge at the website codinggame.com, you were supposed to
create an AI
that would beat their AI. So you were supposed to create an AI that would play PacMan, right?
Yes.
So this is the game that you made, and when you played the challenge, you also came up with AI algorithms and solved a couple levels. Are you also gonna make multiple versions of this one?
I'm also gonna make multiple versions of this one.
With different AIs.
Yes. In one of the later versions, actually only the second version, there are actually going to be multiple packs for each player, from 2 to 5 packs for each player. And the way I'm gonna simulate that, I think, is I'm gonna actually create my own custom backend server, and I'm gonna make it like a multiplayer game with multiple computers.
But how is that gonna work with P5? Is that
I'm not gonna actually do it in the P5 web editor anymore because I can't create a backend there. So
that would be a separate website via GitHub. Or...
I think I'm gonna do it via Heroku.
Ooh. Haven't used that for a while.
Yeah, I haven't used that for a while. Okay, anyway, but for now we have up, down, left, right, and WASD.
Can you show that on the keyboard again?
So you can see up, down, left, right are here, and WASD are here. So it's no coincidence that they're WASD. Okay, how does the game work? Each player has 200 moves to eat as many pellets as possible. The board is full of pellets to begin with, plus there are occasional super pellets. Each pellet is 1 point, and each super pellet is 10 points. The pellets are displayed with these little circles, and the super pellets are displayed with these big circles.
And I saw that they also had a version with rock, paper, scissors packs.
Yeah, they also have.
Are you gonna do that as well?
Yes. Each pack sees the whole board. This will change. So in the version with the rock, paper, scissors, there are actually you can only see dots that are in a straight line with the ones that you have, but for now you can just see the whole board. The game automatically stops after 200 moves. When two packs collide, there is a collision. That is actually sometimes still a little bit buggy. So
that was the last thing you implemented, right?
That's the last thing I implemented, although it's not really. It's only half done. So
the collisions have always been tough, right?
Collisions have always been tough, but not if it's on a grid.
Oh, okay, and this is a grid. This is a grid, right?
Yes.
Because tell me about it. I first saw you building a maze. Is this built on top of a maze?
It's built on top of my maze generator.
Because this is how you started it, right?
Yes.
And then the packs, they're sort of solving the maze, right?
sort of.
Are you gonna add sound effects?
Maybe. Although I think if I do, I will add a on-off button. I just do not like games where the sound is always on, so.
So basically now everybody can play this rudimentary version online
Yes.
on your P5 page, and what's coming up are a couple of AI versions
I'm going
in your P5 collection, and then you're gonna step over to Heroku?
I think I'm first gonna make it. I'm gonna make, because the whole point of doing Heroku is to make it massively multiplayer. So I don't think I'll actually make an AI until I actually make the rock paper scissors version. So
But that's also in P5, right?
yes.
But what interests you most, making it multiplayer or working on the better AI algorithms?
I think both. Hang on. I'm always the W8SD player, so I'm gonna
The blue player.
yes. So
Go.
and there we go. Now it's playing. Okay, let's see. You can see the timer at the bottom is ticking up because they have a limited amount of moves. You can see we're officially halfway to the end of the game. Whoops!
Whoa.
That's our again. The collision stuff is a bit buggy. But anyway, now I just spent a few moves on that. Freaking stuff.
Stuff. Okay, you won.